Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how some players attempt to play Pokémon Go without physical movement. The primary method involves manipulating your device's location data, often called spoofing. This allows you to appear in different places virtually. However, it's crucial to understand that these actions are strictly against the game's official terms of service, and there are significant risks involved with trying to bypass the intended gameplay. Location spoofing works by using specialized third-party applications or software on your device. These tools allow you to manually set your GPS coordinates to virtually any location worldwide. Your phone then reports these altered coordinates to the Pokémon Go application, effectively tricking the game into believing you are physically moving to different places, catching Pokémon, and spinning Poké-Stops from your couch. It is extremely important to understand the serious risks associated with using unauthorized methods like location spoofing. Niantic, the game developer, has sophisticated systems in place to detect players who violate their terms of service. Engaging in such activities can lead to severe penalties for your account, ranging from a temporary suspension of several days to a permanent ban, meaning you lose all your progress. To enjoy Pokémon Go safely and within the game's rules, consider using legitimate in-game items. Incense can attract Pokémon to your current location for 60 minutes, and lure modules boost spawns at a Poké-Stop for 30 minutes. Participating in official community days or events often provides increased Pokémon spawns in specific areas, allowing for more relaxed play while still adhering to fair gameplay principles.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.